Welcome to Computer Science AS levels, and we are on the past paper solution, and we are solving October 2023 exam series paper 2, fundamental problem solving and programming skills. So today we have a paper, right? Tomorrow we have a paper.
Yeah, tomorrow exam.
Okay, so question number 4, a procedure count will input a value. So we are using a procedure. What is procedure?
Procedure, it's like something that won't return your value.
So we are going to use a procedure to avoid
Program.
writing the same thing again and again. So we use procedure. The name of our procedure is count.
It is count.
In a count, we need to input a value, and the value is always a positive integer. So same thing is that we are going to input the number. That's the easiest way to understand the thing. Then we need to count the number of odd values and count the number of even values.
Even values.
Do you remember we have done an algorithm in which we write 10 even numbers and 10 odd numbers? 10.
Yeah, I think basically we'll use mod 2 to find like even.
Exactly, we can use mod. Okay, so what is objective? We are going to use the integers, positive numbers.
Yeah.
Positive number is going to count the number of odd values and the number of even values. What is this? Like, look, this is the series of numbers, right? So among these numbers, the computer is going to tell this is odd and this is even, right?
Even, yeah.
Okay, repeat from step number 1 until the value input is 99. Okay, so our series of numbers will be till 99.
99, yeah.
Okay, and then you need to output the count, like how many values are odd and how many values are even, with a suitable message. The value 99 must not be counted, so this is excluded. So this value is used when you wanted to stop the.
So it's less than 99.
So write a pseudocode for the procedure count. So let's start writing the procedure count. Procedure first.
Okay, yeah.
The name of the procedure is count.
Count.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we are going to declare the variables. So
yeah, we're gonna declare first like even and one odd. So you can write even and odd.
Even, comma, odd, and the
num, you could say the input that you'll take is integer.
Num, again the data type integer.
Yeah.
And yes, okay. Now we are going to use the values, like first the even value. We are counting as 0 right now, and the odd,
and odd will also be 0.
Is also going to be 0. Let me remove the lines, so it will be easy for me to write down the thing. Okay, so the question is for 6 marks. Okay.
Yeah,
so that's pretty good. Okay, now so we have assigned even is 0 and odd is 0. Then what we have to do? We need to input.
Yeah, so input.
We are going to do the num. Now we are going to use if num.
Yeah, if num is you could say if num is I think
2.
We'll say mod 2
and the
is equal to 1, then
is equals to 1.
Then we'll add 1 second odd plus 1.
Assigns odd plus 1.
Yeah, so odd plus 1.
Added to the else.
Yeah.
Even.
Yeah, else even is
assigns
even is even plus 1.
Even plus 1, right? And input.
Yeah, okay.
Num. Okay. Now, what is the condition? What is the condition? Repeat from step 1 until the value input is 99.
Is 99, yeah. If num is equal to 99.
If num is equals to 99,
Is equal to 99, then we'll output that stop or something.
and stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Achha, I need to remove input num from up there. So when stop else
Oh,
input,
okay.
then
Else input num, yeah.
and then the program will
Okay.
be
And
stop and procedure.
yeah. And
So
procedure. Okay, I see.
this is how you're going to write down the.
Pretty easy one.
So take out your
Yeah,
notebook,
okay.
please. Write it down, the algorithm.
Yeah, I printed the paper. I'll just write it
Oh,
myself outside.
that's so awesome. Great. The procedure count is to be tested. Now we are going to
Yeah.
test the count. Typical test data would consist of odd and even values. So right now we are going to take some test data values. They are here. The purpose of this test would be to test a typical mix of even and odd values and check the load totals. So how many evens and odds are there? Like 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4.
And
Yeah.
rest of the numbers are even. So this is how
Even.
we are going to
Yeah.
find out the total number of even and odd values. Give 3 test
Okay.
sequences that may be used to test different aspects of the procedure. Do not include invalid data. So you're going to check this.
Okay.
Number 1, test data. So what type of data you're going to take here?
In this case, first we'll take odd data, I guess.
You can pick odd or even, doesn't matter. So we can take an odd value starting from 23. 23, you can take 23.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So I should take any 3 values, any.
Exactly. In sequence number
Okay.
2, yeah. In sequence number 2, you're going to take the value like which is even, like you can take 64.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, do
And
that, do
3,
not.
you could take 99.
Yes, 99. So 99, it is not included in the number, but 99 is a value which
Yeah.
is going to stop our loop, right? So this is
Yeah.
how you're going
Okay.
to just write down the purpose of this testing, right? In your own wording.
Okay. Yeah. I
Moving to
see.
question
Okay.
number 5.
Mm-hmm.
In
A
question number
global
5,
1D.
a global 1D array of integers contains 4 elements, which are assigned value as shown, like mix 1 having 1 value, mix 2 have 3, mix 3 have 4, and mix 4 have 2. A procedure
Yeah.
process, again, we are using procedure. So the pseudocode is right here. Complete the trace table on the opposite page by drawing run. The procedure when it is called as follows. Okay, call process 3. This is the trace table. Now I'm giving you 6 minutes
Yeah.
to complete this question and send me the picture on my WhatsApp group. Right?
Okay. Well, I'll do.
So we take the value of index 3. We take the count 0. It's all done in here. In here, the algorithm tells you everything. And the values we have taken mix 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay. I get it now.
Here.
I'll do it 1 second.
Yes, yes. Take your time. Okay. Okay, moving on to the next question. For question number 6.
I sent it to you.
Okay,
So
I'll check. I'll check. I'll check. Okay. Question number 6. Again, procedure
yeah.
question. Procedure create files.
Mhm.
We'll take 2 parameters. First parameter is a string representing a file name. And second parameter is an integer representing the number of files, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever the files. The procedure will create the number of text files specified. Each file is given a different name. Each file name is formed by concatenation, right? The file name with the suffix based on the file number. The suffix is always have 3 characters. For example,
Yeah, 3. Okay.
call create files test data comma 3 would result in the creation of 3 files: test data 0.001, test data 0.002, and test data 0.003.
003.
Each file will contain a single line. For example, the file test data 0.002 will contain the string. This is a file test data. So write the procedure for create files. So do you want to try?
I'll give it a try.
Yeah, sure.
If I can get it correct then.
Of how many marks? 6 marks again. Okay, assume both parameters are valid and the integer values in between 1 and
1
9.
and yeah, 900.
Right?
Sir, in this case, I just have one question.
Yes.
When I declare the procedure, what parameters will I use there?
Yes.
Will I
You
just
can,
write string?
yes, string. One is for the string now. So you can use
Yeah,
file
okay.
name or name of file, whatever. And the second one is
Okay.
number of files. So you can take num files. Yeah, file num. File num is better option. File number is better option.
Okay.
You can pick any of the variables. So 2 variables with the 2 data types. This one is with the string, and the other one is with the
Yeah.
integer. After declaring
Integer.
the variables, you need to declare the file name with the suffix, right? This one. File name.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
The first variable.
I'll try it.
Second variable is going to be, yes, I need to count. Why count? Well, because the procedure will work for the counting of the files. So you're going to
Specific
count.
files, yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna increment it
2
and give it
variables.
like
And then you
+1 at the
use a
end, yeah.
loop, and then you can use if then
Yeah.
else or yeah. So just try for it. Then we
Okay.
will solve together.
Okay.
First, you are going to use okay. First, you're going to use a procedure, and the name of the procedure is
Create files.
files, right? Okay. And you have 2 parameters. A string representing a file name,
Yeah.
and the data type is a string,
A string, yeah.
and you have a file number,
File number, okay.
and the data type is integer.
Integer, yeah.
Then you have
Then you declare
declare 4 things: file name,
string, declare count, which is
string,
integer,
count, integer, and then
and I think you'll also declare the suffix, correct?
declare suffix, and the suffix will be in integer because point zero
Yeah,
two.
okay.
So we can take real 0.002 like that.
Yeah, real, okay.
Okay. After that, we have to use for count 1, 2.
129999.
You can
Wait,
use
file now?
file num, file name, file num. Yes, file num. Like how many, whatever the file is. They said that
Oh, okay, I
999
see.
is inclusively like values integer. Yes, you can take file 999 as well. Yeah, 999. That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take it. Now, you're going to take first suffix. What is suffix? In suffix, you're going to assign the value. What value? Like
Yeah.
num to string. This is
But
the In insert, you can see suffix. We're going to use
yeah, okay, I see it.
count. After this, you know that you have to use three
Yeah,
characters.
so 0.00 after it.
Use length of what? Of suffix.
Yeah.
Length of
So yeah,
suffix.
okay.
Length of what? Suffix.
Suffix.
Is going to be,
It's going to become like, I think, a point or something.
yeah, 3, right?
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Length of suffix. Okay.
You have to use file name, assigns the file name, concatenate. You need to concatenate and suffix,
And suffix, yeah.
right? Okay.
That uses both of them.
Okay. Now each file will contain a single line. What is a single line? This is test data 0.002. So you're going to use the characteristics of files like open file, what file name, whatever the file name is. For which purpose?
Okay.
For write.
Or right. Yeah.
Is that okay? And
Okay.
what you wanted to
Yeah, I
write?
get that.
Yes. And then you're going to write down the file name, open file writer. Okay, then write file name and like, okay, what do you wanted to write? Like, this is a file. This is
Yeah, okay. A
code
file and then file name.
and the file name.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Then you need to close the
Yeah, yeah,
file.
okay, I get that.
Close file, file name,
Yeah.
and
And
then
then you enter the loop.
next.
Next count.
Just count with the next, and then and procedure.
And then yeah, end procedures. Okay.
This is how you're going to write for 6 months.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me write that down.
Please, recording. Procedure module A. We have 6 modules, right? Then procedure module
Yeah.
with the T1 and TS2. So these are the parameters, right?
Okay.
We have reset.
Yeah.
Reset value is a code. We have to enter the code and the value will be reset. Reset, old code is also there. Returns a boolean, yes or no. Like, do you want to reset, restore it, yes or no? So you can use with the old one. Then module Y and
I
module
see.
in module Y you have an integer RB, and in module Z you have a value SA. So we have
Yeah.
these SA. Okay, integer returns integer. Okay, module X and Y calls reset or restore. So module X is going to be called the reset and module Y is going to call the restore. Complete the structure.
Restore. Yeah.
So module A, the first one is done. Module A for you. Now you have to see
Yeah.
module A. So you have further how many modules? Modules X, module Y, and we need to check module X, module Y, and module Z. So you need to write down module
Yeah.
X. I'm just writing M. M for, no, I'm writing MOD module.
Yeah. So this will be
X. We can take
okay, I see.
module X.
The
Okay.
middle one you could take Z and the right one Y in this
1,
case.
2, 3.
Okay,
And
I see.
module Y. Now, see module X. What is module X doing? Module X is having 2 parameters,
To reset.
and S2. T1
Yeah.
and S2. So T1 and S2. So module X is going to do the reset. So I need to write the reset here. Reset. And module Y,
Okay.
restore. Simple, it's
Yeah.
mentioned. You can see it's mentioned here. Right?
Yeah. Okay.
The box over here, you can see. So restore.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? Okay.
I see.
Then what we have to reset? Let's check. We need to reset the code. So you need to
Yeah.
reset the code here. Code. And
I
what
see.
we want
Okay.
to restore?
We could
What we wanted to restore? Let's check with the restore old code.
we need to old code. Yeah.
I'm going to write old
Okay.
code.
Yeah.
This one is, I think, missing. So this is an arrow. So that's it. This is for 4 marks, right? You need
Yeah.
to do
Okay.
B by your own and draw this in your notebook.
Okay. 1 second.